Bath Row long?
Yes, we moved in last September.
Do you find this a friendly neighbourhood to live in?
Oh, yes, very much.
What do you think of the appearance of this place? Does it appeal to you? Like
yes, I think it would be very nice after they've finished all the lawns and that, and it will look quite nice.
Well, Mrs. Badham, you're an old pensioner.
Yes.
How long have you lived here?
4 years. 3 years in July.
You find this a friendly place?
Oh, yes, very. The children are there. They've helped me a lot because I haven't felt lonely while the children have been coming in, and they've been very, very nice to me, all the neighbours.
Well, now, you live in a very high flat. How many stories up?
6.
Do you mind living so high?
No.
What do you like about your flat?
Well, it's all convenient, and the doctor said that I was to have a place on the level because I wasn't very good, you know, and I couldn't do the stairs, you know.
You've got a lift here?
We got a lift.
Well, it looks a very nice little flat to me. Anything you dislike about it?
I don't dislike anything about it. I like it all, and I've made myself comfortable, and I wouldn't like to go now.
Well, Mr. and Mrs. Sweetman, do you like living here?
Very much, we like it very much.
Do you think it's a good idea having all this grass and trees around? Do you?
Well, I like it because it's such a nice outlook.
Yes. Do you like these modern buildings? Do you like modern architecture, Mr. Sweetman?
Very much indeed. I think it's really, after the back-to-back houses that we were used to, this is so great a change.
Mr. Wallace, you've been caretaker here for 3.5 years?
Yes, I have.
Do you think most people like it here?
Well, yes, I think most people do.
Do you think there's a good neighbourly feeling here?
Oh, definitely there, yes.
Do you think the children who are living in a place like this are going to be better for it?
Well, that's really hard to say, but I think they will in time, yes.
The city has done its best to make it pleasant here. Do you think people are going to appreciate it and look after it?
Oh, definitely, yes, I do.
Thank you, Mr. Wallace.
Thank you.
And here are some maisonettes, and below them, some tall blocks of maisonettes still to be built.
Clifford Fiddler, city architect, you're responsible for this.
Yes, I am.
Now, what buildings have you put up so far in this Bath Row redevelopment area?
Well, as you can see, we've put up numbers of flats, houses, bungalows, and maisonettes. In fact, a mixed development.
And there's a lot of room yet. What other buildings are you going to put up?
Well, there are about 1,000 people here so far. We've another 5,000 or so to come. And apart from new shops, flats, and so on, we've still got a lot of housing to do. We have, for example, a 16-story block of flats, shortly to be built, at the corner of the Bristol Road down there.
And what's this?
Well, this is a design for a new shopping centre. We have already some small shopping centres built, but over there, when those buildings are cleared, we're going to build this new large shopping centre with a community centre and so on.
Yes. Now, this school, where does this go?
This is a new secondary modern school, and you can already see the foundations for it down there at the bottom of this park strip.
That park strip runs right across, does
It runs right through the whole of the housing, and these flats will look onto it.
Yes. What do people think about the appearance of these modern buildings?
Well, you know, most people say, well, aren't they frightful or something like that. You know, an Englishman usually says that sort of thing to start with, but after a while I think they get to like it.
Lastly, what are you trying to achieve in the redevelopment areas?
Well, fundamentally, we're trying to create a community here where people will feel happy and at home.